How to build an AI image animation app using Replit. No code, no fees. Most image animation apps charge heavy monthly fees, which makes it unaffordable for some individuals who would like to animate their images and make use of them in their videos. I've been a victim before discovering how to do this for free with some AI agent tools. We will be using two AI tools. 1. ChatGPT for the generation of our prompt. 2. Replit, a cloud-based coding platform, IDE, with AI agents/assistants integrated inside it, designed for building apps quickly, including no-code/low-code workflows. Then, let's start. Without wasting much time, the first thing is to structure how and what we want the app to do for us, the functionality. We want the app to upload images, have a text area for our prompt, a generate button, a preview to test our generated animated image, and equally a download button to download our animated image video. Now, we will start with the prompt that will ask ChatGPT to generate the original prompt, which we will copy and use on Replit for it to build our image animation app. You are good at generating prompts for no-code AI cloud development agents like Replit. I want to build an image animation app using Replit. Generate a ready copy and paste prompt that will enable Replit to build this app for me. The app must include an image, have a text area for pasting the prompt, a preview that will test the image animation generated, and a download button to download the animation video. The app must be responsive in all functionality. ChatGPT have generated the prompt. Now copy it and head to your browser, and open a new browser session. Type in Replit, go to the extreme top right-hand side and click on Create Account. A pop-up form will appear. It's either you continue with Google or continue with email. I will click Continue with Email. Type your email and preferred password and hit the Create Account button. Go ahead to verify your email. Now we are inside the Replit IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Now few questionnaires will pop up. Set name, where did you hear about us, etc. Select your choice and click Continue with Starter. Time to paste our prompt in the AI IDE text area. After pasting the prompt, click on the arrow pointing upwards by the end of the text area at the right-hand side to run the prompt. Then keep watching the extreme left-hand side of the corner where the prompt is running with instructions and generating the animation app. As you can see, your app is built within seconds, and you can click the Publish button, copy the URL, and save it, which you will be using to enter the app in your browser. I will advise you to always log into Replit whenever you want to use the app. Just locate projects on the left-hand side and it will load. Now, let's test the app to see the functionality. Upload the image, write the required text inside the text area. Then select any of the camera presets, which is optional, and hit the Generate button. Then watch the process run at the bottom, after which you can view the animated video and click Download to download your animated image as a video. You can tell ChatGPT what you want the AI agent Replit to create, and that determines the quality of your app. In fact, you can create anything with these AI IDE agents. So that's it, and the rest is history. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow this channel for more videos. I will be teaching how to use 20 AI agents to achieve various results as marketers, creators, and owners of industries, and that is why you must subscribe and follow, so you won't miss out. See you next.